Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 16, support and movement. And here we will discuss the first topic, that is human skeleton. What is skeleton? Skeleton is a framework which supports soft tissues of body. It supports as well as it helps in the movement also. Basically, skeleton composed of two major parts. First one is bone and second one is cartilage. What is bone? Bone is a hard connective tissue. It is the hardest connective tissue present in the body. It comprises of two major portions. First one is epiphysis and second one is diaphysis. Epiphysis is the terminal region while diaphysis is the lengthy middle portion. Along with this, epiphysis, diaphysis, when we see the internal structure of bone, we found that bone is surrounded by a connective tissue which is called as periosteum. Periosteum contains inner part which is called as endosteum. Endosteum is further comprised of two parts, compact bone and spongy bone. Compact bone contains a hard portion and the spongy bone, it is porous in nature. It contains red bone marrow where cells are present. Endosteum also contains yellow bone marrow and it has a rich supply of blood vessels present in it. This is the internal structure of bone. Bone is composed of three main types of cells, which are the bone cells. They are derived from osteogenic cells. Three types of cells are, first one are osteoblasts. What are osteoblasts? Osteoblasts are the bone forming cells. They add mineral to the part of the bone, as well as when they are surrounded by the connective tissue, it forms osteocytes. What are osteocytes? Osteocytes are the mature cells of bones. They majorly are the healthy part. They release enzymes and they regulate the flow of calcium from bones to blood or blood to bone. Third type is the osteoclast. Osteoclasts are the dissolving cells. They dissolve the cell or they help in the resorption of minerals. It has very important role in the bone repair. These are the three types of bone cells. Overview of this bone is, what is bone? It is the hardest connective tissue of the body. It comprises of two main parts, epiphysis and diaphysis. Diaphysis is also called as shaft. With it we have periosteum, which is the outer connective tissue and contains the inner part, which is endosteum, which further contains two parts, compact bone and the spongy bone. This is the whole structure of bone. Second major part of the skeleton is cartilage. Cartilage is less hard than the bone. It is not that hard because of the presence of gel-like matrix as well as elastic fibers, and it contains of a covering of connective tissue which is called as perichondrium. Perichondrium is surrounding the whole connective tissue part. It contains a matrix-like region, gel-like region, in which we have certain compartments which contains the cells of cartilage. These cells are called chondrocyte, and that chamber in which chondrocytes are present, it is called as lacuna. Along with it, we are having elastic fibers which make it soft. At the start, human skeleton was composed of cartilage. Then it is replaced by the hard part. We also know that here there is no presence of blood vessels, due to which it takes a lot of time to repair. So that's why we need it to replace by the bone, as bone contains rich supply of blood. Cartilage is only present at certain parts. So we have only left with 3 types of cartilage in our skeleton. First one is hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is present at the end of large bones. It is basically present near nose, larynx and trachea. Fibrocartilage is the second part. It is present in vertebra and knee region. Third one is the elastic cartilage, which is having quite a lot amount of elastin fiber, and it is present in ear labs and epiglottis. This is the whole structure of cartilage. In today's lecture, we have studied the types of bone cells, what is the structure of bone. Second, we have studied the cartilage, structure of cartilage and the types of cartilage. Thank you.